It does.
It's like, ooh.
Let's get it on.
Before we were.
Hi. Let's get it on. What's Jordan doing?
I'm not surprised that he let it stuff also. Oh, okay. Kevin's out there trying to push like both of them. Oh. Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
Yay!
Look out, Jordan.
I don't know why he was so close to the truck to begin
That's
with.
hilarious.
Are they stuck still? Okay.
Oh.
I'm not gonna do it again.
Probably gonna do it again. Josh is doing burnouts over here. Got the tires smoking. You think they know that we're watching them right now?
I think Mark saw us. The last time he got stuck, it was so bad. I don't remember who came out and helped him because I wasn't here when they got it out, but it was, he said it was bad.
How did he even get stuck?
I don't know. Is he stuck again?
Like,
What is happening right now?
oh man, this is why they're all friends. And Jordan just standing there with the winch ready.
Oh, the tractor must be out of gas. Better.
She works hard for her fire. You gotta do your princess wave. Recording the help. Oh, almost stopped the wheelie. We're gonna do some sketchy shit. Doo-da, doo-da. Hope I get away with it. Oh, doo-da day. Do you feel like a baby again? A very nervous baby? It's a hoo-hoo. It's a hoo-hoo. Fail.
Josh, will you grab the chainsaw? It's in the back of the pilot.
They're trying to cut a ginormous tree off the top of this barn. You look like a sloth. So they've got it hooked up to their winch.
Yeah.
And they're gonna just try to pull it off.
Pull it tight with your four-wheeler first. I know, but pull it tight first, that way you have more slack. Is it? Yeah. I can go up there and push it.
You could put it on the other side. That way it's in between the horse barn and this one. That way it doesn't really have anywhere to slide.
All right, now do it.
Woo! Success! I was afraid it was gonna pull you too. Oh yeah.
I see it.
Well, that's good. You made it safely down. No falling. Good luck finding the winch. Jess is a badass. Making chili on an open flame with a cast down cookware.
No.
What?
No gunpowder? Okay.
Andy, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
A little bit of that bite.
Is this how you hang out? Literally hang out.
Hanging all out.
Guns with no pants, except you got pants on.
Hashtag guns with too much clothes. Get hot.
You ever look at somebody and go, what is going on in their mind?
I just bottomed out.
Don't go over there.
I almost just got so much mud on me.
Look at my foot.
Oh, I didn't even.
Thinking.
Oh.
I'm thinking.
Whoops. Is Josh trying to help him take the tree down now? I think he shook. I don't know. But I think he shook every single leaf
Hey.
off it.
What is that tree?
Hey, why are we pulling that tree down?
This tree needs to come down.
You.
Maybe when I said that tree needs to come down.
Oh. That's the wrong tree.
You think that one?
Right. Oh, he wants the target.
Alright, fine, whatever.
But then you gotta shoot past this tree. I know. Hmm? Well. Yeah. I mean, if you piled up mud on both sides. You're so turned on right now. Are you moist? That tree is still there.
Oh my god, he's not gonna pull this thing out of the ground roots and all.
That would be impressive. I mean, he does win.
He's gonna push so hard it's gonna go. You're gonna see Mark go.
Like a slingshot. Oh look, he actually put it down on the ground.
He's like, and it's sweating.
Cool transition. The carrot one?
That's what I put on my video this morning.
He said he died.
Remember when B-Way would always try it out like the hottest thing?
Yeah, that was fun.
Well, I think it was like 30 to 40.
Boom, boom.
No. What we learned last time. Hey Jordan. Here.
So these things work so well.
I'll drop it.
But I don't know typically. You missed. To the top. You're straight over the top.
I know.
Why you sound mad?
Right. So Maddie and Josh are gonna compete and see who can shoot the tannerite first. Ladies first. All right, Josh's turn.
Matt's getting hurt.
Oh snap! Josh's chin. Maddie can win it all. Just throw it.
Get it in the air?
Wow. I did too.
Josh, go put one there for me.
That was awesome.
That was a good shot, babe.
Yeah, you blew some bark off.
You just can't hit it far away.
What tree? What tree's looking at you?
Is it even there?
Oh, we'll show that tree.
I heard all the speckles hit close to us.
I really felt that one.
I did too.
Nice painting against that.
You want to take your...